In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and manage categories in Wix stores. Whether you're just getting started with your online store or looking to optimize your product organization, today's guide will walk you through each step with ease. Let's dive in. First, you're going to head over to your Wix dashboard by going to the home page on Wix.com. This is where you'll find all the tools and settings you'll need for managing your store. Once you're comfortably on your dashboard, look to your sidebar and click on Catalog. This section is the heart of your store's organization, where all your products and categories live. Next, you'll need to locate and click on Categories. It's a vital step for both organizing your products and creating a seamless shopping experience for your customers. Your categories act as the virtual aisles of your online store, guiding your customers smoothly to the products they want. Now, let's add a new category. Find and click the New Category button. You may notice right away how easy it is to start organizing right off the bat. Here, you'll type in the name of the category you're adding. Choose something clear and descriptive that aligns with the products that will be housed within. This helps customers navigate your store efficiently. With the name set, it's time to make your category visually appealing. Click to add a category image. This image should represent the products within the category and capture the attention of your visitors. A picture speaks 1,000 words, so choose an image that's both relevant and high quality. Once you've got the name down and an image uploaded, it's time to add products to this new category. Click on Add Products. This step is crucial as it outlines what items are grouped under that specific category for buyers to browse. Simply choose a product from your existing catalog that fits with your new category. You'll see a checkbox next to each product. Check the ones you want to add. It's all about making sure the customer can easily find the items they're interested in. After selecting your products, confirm your choices by clicking Add, which effectively populates your category with the selected products. This action is a checkpoint ensuring everything looks good and corresponds with what you envision. Finally, remember to click on Save. This will lock in all the changes you've meticulously made and configure your store just the way you've designed it. Saving consistently prevents losing any of your hard work in organizing your shop. With these steps completed, you've successfully enhanced your store's navigation and presentation, driving a better experience for your customers. Keep practicing with different categories to master this aspect of store management. Stay tuned for more tips and guides on optimizing your online shop efficiently.